Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this morning I am out filming by our pond, which to my little mini AG doll is a big lake. And we're filming beachwear, and it's a collab with Tina's Reborns and more. I love Tina. We do a lot of collabs together. Let me pick this girl up and show you, because the wind's blowing just enough. I don't want her to get away. Isn't she adorable? Look at my little, first of all, this is a drink holder. You got these at Dollar General, didn't you, for like $1
Yep,
one year?
I believe so.
And they had flamingos too.
Yep.
Those are my favorite. And I got this little turtle, the little sea turtle. You know, I don't know where I got him, but he's cute. And this is her beachwear. I was gonna make her a swimsuit and didn't get the right fabric from Joann's. Let me back that up. From Hobby Lobby, because they don't have swimsuit wear. And Joann's is closed, so I just said, let me dig around. I didn't find a swimsuit, but I found this adorable outfit that Tammy Polly had made for my Blythe doll. And I thought it was absolutely perfect. It's spring out here. It's not hot yet, even though she is barefoot. And look at her hair. I did wash it, but she's like one of those little girls with a colic. It's so thick, it doesn't lay down well. Isn't she adorable? Thank you, Tammy, and thank you, Tina, for this fun collab. And this is my little American Girl mini kit in her beachwear. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and join us for our Thursday night lives at 6 p.m. Central here on YouTube.